get them up. Everybody up, love it look, yeah, get them up.
Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel. And I know why y'all maybe be thinking why I got this on the car trunk. So we're gonna clean up this area because we're gonna install the trunk lip or spoiler, I should say. Right here, got the carbon fiber trunk spoiler. But first, make sure y'all clean the surface. I got some solution right here, so I'm just gonna like clean right here real quick. So now that is clean right now. Just let it dry real quick, and then we're gonna put on the trunk clip, and then we're gonna see how it looks. I think this shit gonna look mean. So right now we're just taking off the two-sided tape, and y'all could get this off Amazon or eBay or any one of them sites you want to order it from. Alright, so when y'all clean the surface, y'all could just like make sure everything lined up, and then just put it down on the trunk, and then you're gonna press it down a little bit so you could like seal. And I'm gonna put it on right now, and then I'm gonna pick up at the camera to show you guys how the trunk clip setup looking. And make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and let's get this installed, man. Okay guys, so here's the finished product. I had to make sure everything lined up. See, we got a little bit of 3M tape right there, but that shit looking good, man. Let me know in the comment section if you guys like it. So the only thing I need right now is just the wrap and the coilovers. Drop it low, but shit looking good, man. So this was just like easy DIY install. And also make sure you guys stay tuned. We're gonna put a single exit on the 535 F10. We're gonna make it super loud, so stay tuned for that. And thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Peace.